Can you tell me more about you? What I'm feeling now is crazy. Can you tell me more about you? Hey, what I'm feeling now is crazy. Can you tell me more about you? What I'm feeling now is crazy.
Remember we had a video na nilabas on how to install CycleSeal tire sealant.
Yes,
What was it?
yung may kit with CycleSeal tire sealant, yung may hose, and may valve opener.
Yes, we did that. A few days ago, I had a chance, I had an opportunity to install it using the tire changer. Alam mo ba yung tire changer?
Yung umiikot-ikot, yung nilalagay yung gulong, tapos parang i-open na gano'n yung gulong, may nilalagay dyan na, ano ba yun? Tapos ikot-ikutin.
Yes, that's the one.
Okay.
So, paano namin ginawa? Una, install namin yung mugs, tapos nilock nung nag-aayos doon, nilock niya yung gulong, half lang muna, then in-spread namin yung CycleSeal.
Hindi naman siya nagkalat-kalat.
Hindi. Pero may konting punas lang.
Okay.
Nung nailagay na namin lahat, nilock na namin. That's it. Ganun kadali. So, there are two ways paano mag-install ng CycleSeal. One is
yung sa kit, using the kit. The other one is pag-install mo manually. It could be the tire changer or si Manong in the vulcanizing shop. Yes.
Diba? Alright? See you again.